conclusion here said the basis of both samsara and nirvana is the mind. Demarcation between samsara and nirvana is whether you recognize that nature of mind or not. The mind is not nothing or not something, as this quote said. Stop here and see if anything, any experience. Of course, the experience came up, but how was this practice, exercise for you? Confusing or never done before? Or what the silly things to do? Or whatever. Were you able to find the dwelling place of a dweller? If so, where was it? When I twisted, I felt like a mind was that very intense sensation I felt on my neck. How was your experience?
I was just aware of awareness. You start, you really turn your shoulder, your mind goes to your shoulder. I tried that, then I tried pinching my calf muscle as well at the same time to see if it go to both places at the same time. So I found that my mind would go to all the places simultaneously, rather than just one place. But if I had stimulation, I found that my mind wouldn't just go from one point to the other point. It looked at all the stimulation simultaneously.
So you saying you found that location?
I didn't find a location, no, just awareness, which is aware of sensation in the body. But I couldn't say where it is.
Bit of the color or shape of that mind?
No.
No? It's like a bright red or something? No?
No color at all.
Oh, no? Okay.
I think it's probably like an analogy, like water takes the shape of it, whatever it's perceiving.
Yeah, we are looking with direct eye, I guess, internal eye. So you can say, if you look at the color, then if there is a color, you can say red or orange or bluish or something like that. Mm-hmm.
I think probably same experience, but looking internally or in the body, pretty clearly we can come up with the perception or experience of the object or the place, but that's just the place. That's not the mind in a sense. And the same external. And I've done this one before sometimes, and what I became aware of thinking, well, I've done this before, was that, for instance, in the body or even external, there's something we grasp. And so this time I thought, after I'd done it for a while, I thought, well, let me try something different. And I hadn't done before. And I tried to perceive something behind me. And it happened that everything was quiet behind me, so I couldn't hear anything. But I sort of had the feeling like there was this extension or inquiry reaching out into just something, some empty.
Each time is fresh. Beginning, I encourage you to be with beginner's mind and let go of all the knowledge or previous experience or something you heard about it. There's no wrong answer or correct answer in this. Anybody who went to the head, so to speak? So when we cannot find, then the encouragement is less than that unfindability. That's called the empty nature of mind. So this quote from Karl Marx, last quote, does not go to extremes. Empty nature of the mind. So then what we're going to do is the next session is a kusari meditation, resting meditation. Whatever you come to understanding through your yogic direct experience, then we simmer. I like the simmering tea, so steep in that, rest in that, without changing, without doing anything about it. This kusari is such a humble thing. Then a meditation instruction start from here, like a shamatha. Then for the meditation session, searching for the actual mind, where it dwells, how it looks like, does that have a color or shape. As I suggested, every time when we sit, start fresh. Let go of these assumptions. That we do in a sense, archaeologists or expeditions. We have to really go directly. Before we really start investigating, I want you to do shamatha practice, as you all have, I think. Shamatha practice, whatever object is, then the stabilize mind. Otherwise, it goes all into the head and wasting time. Then do this investigation, and then do this resting meditation of Kusaru. Of course, I have to tell you, I may not need to tell because you may be very familiar with entirety of Mahamudra tradition. We have a whole system of Mahamudra teaching presentations. We have a whole list of the classic text, and a thick one, and middle length, and a short one, and prayers, and so forth. So this is one of them, and very concise and pithy instruction. There are many ways to approach attack, so to speak. So these kind of meditation kind of annoying us quite a bit, annoying us, and then that's the practice we do. Then when we come to really cannot find it, I thought I could find it, but then I couldn't find it. Then we rest in that non-findabilities with Kusari meditation, which actually you already know this one, but then it's good. We are following the instruction of Kempo Gansho.